Back to the video, guys. So today we're working on the 350Z. Nice, short, simple video because I've seen too many 10 to 15 minute videos on this, and it's pretty much how to get your 350Z to drift. So if you guys are new to the channel, I just picked up this 350Z. A lot of you probably have an LSD or it's open diff. This was actually LSD, and it does have the VDC option on it. So first off, what I was thinking was that you could just go ahead and in here, you see the little VDC here, pop the cover off. This is it right here. It's the only one that looks like it, 50 amp. I thought this was gonna be the issue that would be resolved. Took this out, still would not spin at all. Upon further inspection, I went ahead and found out that if you actually take out this fuse, this is for both your ABSs and for the ignition here. You are not gonna touch this, but right here for the ABSs, all you're pretty much gonna do is just pop this little bad boy out. I don't know if you can kind of see on camera. So the two links right there, it is making a fuse. All you're gonna do, take some wire cutters and you're just gonna snip those two, giving the effect that it is a blown fuse, plug that back in, and bam, simple as that. So simple, such an easy thing to do, because even if you do remove the other stuff, I have heard that the traction control does want to come on, the VDC does want to come on. I have a VDC model, so you definitely don't want that, especially when you're cannoning while drifting and stuff like that. And all this information I just got from another YouTuber, so don't quote me on this. And I'm not taking full credit at all. I just decided, why not, because I'm always looking for videos, and that's pretty much it. Went ahead. I'm keeping the VDC fuse off. Let's go check inside. All these lights should pop on. There you go, we got the ABS. My brake is on, so. VDC is off, slip is on. All that is disengaged now. Hydro is mounted. This thing is definitely ready to slide. Now, this thing's legal as well. So I'm hyped on that. Stay tuned, guys, for more content. Next content is, next video is some S15 Sylvia content.